In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Instapage. By the end, you'll have your Instapage form submissions automatically flowing into another app, like a spreadsheet, without manual copying and pasting. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in, or create a free account if you haven't already. On your Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap. Giving your Zap a clear name now can help you stay organized later, especially if you plan to build more automations. For the trigger, search for and select Instapage. Choose Form Submission as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to run the automation every time someone fills out and submits your Instapage form. Next, connect your Instapage account. Click Connect a New Account, and Zapier will prompt you for your Instapage Workspace token. To find it, open your Instapage dashboard, go to Workspace Settings, then Integrations, and locate the Zapier card. Copy the token and paste it back into Zapier. Treat this token like a password and don't share it publicly. After connecting, continue, and Zapier will load the pages in that workspace so you can select the exact landing page you want to track. Zapier will then test the trigger and pull in sample lead data. You might see placeholder or example values here. That's normal. These samples are purely to help you map fields later. If no data appears, you can submit your Instapage form once yourself to generate a fresh sample. Now it's time to add an action. Choose the app where you want the lead data to go. A popular choice is Google Sheets, using the Add Row action so each new lead becomes a new row. You could also send leads to your CRM or email tool. The setup is similar. When you reach the mapping step, match your Instapage form fields to the destination fields. For example, map email to the email column, name to the name column, and any custom fields like company or phone to matching fields in your destination app. If you're using a spreadsheet, make sure the column headers already exist and are spelled consistently, so Zapier knows exactly where to place each value. Run a test to confirm data flows correctly. Check your destination app to make sure the sample appears the way you expect. If everything looks good, turn your Zap on. From this point forward, any new Instapage form submission will trigger the automation and send the data to your chosen app. That's it. Your Instapage to Zapier workflow is live and saving you time automatically.